Attention North Huron, Wingham Fire. Attention North Huron, Wingham. Please respond to 40324 Cardiff Road. It'll be between Clegg Line and London Road for a tractor on fire in a field, not near any buildings. They are currently in the hayfield though. North Huron, Wingham Fire, please respond 40324 Cardiff Road. North Huron, Wingham Fire. Attention North Huron, Wingham. Please respond to 40324 Cardiff Road between Clegg Line and London Road. It's going to be for a tractor on fire in a hayfield, not near any buildings. That is 40324 Cardiff Road, North Huron, Wingham Fire. Please respond. North Huron Blyth Fire. This is an information page. The Wingham Station will be responding to 40324 Cardiff Road for a tractor on fire in a hayfield. Again, this is an information page at this time for Blyth Station. Time in North Huron page is 17:25:37.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Car 2.
Go ahead, Car 2.
Page acknowledged for the Wingham Station.
Roger that, Car 2. You've acknowledged is 17:25:59.
Fire dispatch, Car 3.
Go ahead, Car 3.
Show Car 3 responding personal vehicle.
Roger that, Car 3 responding in personal vehicle, 17:27:01.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Engine 1 responding, Charlie plus 5 belted.
Roger, Engine 1 responding, Charlie plus 5, you're belted, 17:28:24.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Tank 4 responding with 2 firefighters belted.
Roger that, Tank 4 responding with 2 firefighters, you're belted, 17:28:55.
Fire dispatch, Engine 1.
Go ahead, Engine 1.
Can I get a single set of tones on the Blyth repeater for Unit 10 and Rescue 7 to respond?
Roger, Engine 1, single set of tones for Blyth, Unit 10 and Rescue 7 to respond, 17:30:05. Attention North Huron Blyth Fire, please respond at the request of North Huron Wingham Station to 40324 Cardiff Road. That will be for Unit 10 and Rescue 7 to respond.
Dispatch, Car 3 acknowledges that. Blyth Station, roll Tank 9 as well. Tank.
Copy that, Car 3. We'll roll Unit 7, Rescue 7, and Tank 9.
Fire dispatch, Tank 9.
Tank 9, go ahead.
You can show Tank 9 responding, Echo plus 4 belted.
Roger, Tank 9 responding, Echo plus 4, you're belted. Just to confirm, you are coming out of the Wingham Station?
We're coming into the Blyth Station.
Roger that, thanks.
Golf, Car 3.
Golf. This is car 3.
Golf, if there's access in car, roll 8 as well. We got significant smoke.
Copy that. We'll be responding in Rescue 7 shortly.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Engine 1 on scene. Charlie B command. Command be mobile.
Roger that, Engine 1 on scene. Charlie is command and mobile. It is 1734.06.
Fire dispatch, tank 4 on scene.
Roger, tank 4 on scene. 1734.22.
The nurse in the Engine 1. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
You can show we have one skid steer and fire in the middle of a field. No exposures.
The first part garbled out. All I copy is fire in middle of field, no exposures.
We have one skid steer and fire in the middle of the field, no exposures.
Roger that, one skid steer. No exposure, 1735.20.
Dispatch, car 3 is on scene.
Roger that, car 3 on scene, 1735.32.
Rescue 7, call command.
Go ahead, command. This is Rescue 7.
Rescue 7, you can stand down.
Copy that, command. Tank 8 is about to respond out of the hall.
All Blythe station units can actually stand down.
Dispatch copies, all Blythe units are to stand down. Tank 9, did you copy?
Roger that, dispatch. You can show Tank 9 returning to Blythe Station.
Roger that, tank 9 standing down, returning to Blythe Station, 1736.38.
Fire dispatch, you can show agent applied.
Roger, agent applied, 1736.21.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
Fire under control.
Roger that, fire under control at 1740.52.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead.
Lost stop.
Roger that, command. Lost stop, 1754.15.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead.
Command terminated. Property being left with the property owners. All units will be clear as seen. Return to Wingham Station.
Roger, command. Terminated. Property left with property owners. All North Huron units clear. Returning 1803.39.
Fire dispatch, tank 4 is cleared, team returning to Wingham Station.
Roger that, tank 4 clear and return to Wingham Station, 1807.58.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Engine 1.
Go ahead, Engine 1.
Engine 1, back at station, back at service. Can you download this call for me, please?
Roger that, Engine 1, you're back at station. North Huron units are back in service at 18:15:01. Have a great night.
You too.
Roger, thanks.